Say hello to all your friends out there. Say, I don't feel good. I don't feel good. He's been coughing and gagging. Oh, okay. Good morning. Obviously not going to school today. I'm just waiting for the nurse so we can assess everything and decide what we're going to do in terms of... Good morning, Theo. Someone took his crazy medicine today. What are you doing? What'd you do to the rug? Where's Theo? Where's Theo? Where did he go? Theo, where's Theo? So I'm outside of the high school again. I should probably like take every clip I ever made and merge them all together. I'm waiting at the high school for Thomas. I'm waiting at the high school for Thomas. Waiting at the middle school for Thomas. Oh, too bad I wasn't vlogging when I was driving Sarah around because I'm waiting at the high school for Sarah. Anyhow, I took so much medicine this afternoon. At the same time, I took the painkiller I take for fibro. I took the gabapentin and Advil, and that was enough to make me comfortable. So I couldn't lay down anymore. I lay down and then I'm like, okay, you need to rest. But then I get like anxious, can't relax. I gotta get up and move around. Then I try to move around and I want to lay down. It's like crazy. Anyway, I am waiting for Thomas to come out. He's got a saxophone lesson over at the middle school, so we have to go from here to there. And I took Henry to the dog park. And I just sat there in the sun and let him play, and that was nice, like for about a half an hour. He needed to run, and he was very appreciative of that because he was really letting out his energy. It's so hard for me to lose weight. But I stood on the scale and I was 4 pounds lighter this morning, and I think it's just because I honestly have been just eating a little bit here and there, and that's it. And I haven't really thought about it, but it's been like a week of this. It's not good to rely completely on pain meds to get you through the day. I can't help it though, because the pain is kind of spread all the way to like below my belly button to all the way in the back, but more so in the front now than the back. And it's like really annoying. It's really hurting me. It's just delightfully horrifying. And look at Henry. He's over here looking out the window. How tired he is. Are you tired? We're just waiting for Thomas. He's not out on that side, honey. He's on the other side. He thinks he's coming out this side. 'Cause sometimes when he's on marching band time, they come off the football field. Alrighty then. I'm gonna go and wait for Thomas. And I'm gonna get back. Daniel's not feeling well. Daniel's been sick. He's got a cold. He's coughing and he's uncomfortable. And yesterday when Dave was here in the evening, he was retching and basically trying to vomit. And hopefully it's just a cold and he will kick it and it won't go the other way. And I never know, because sometimes just a cold can put Daniel in the hospital, or he aspirates, or it turns into pneumonia, or any cold or illness can always have super duper complications with Daniel. Hopefully not. Because yesterday I was like, oh, if he gets worse in the night, oh man, I'm not going to be hurting. But he didn't. He slept well. So, that's good. Good. We'll see. I feel fine. I feel itchy.
Yeah.
All of a sudden. Just now. And I was feeling pretty good because I took the pain meds and I took Advil, and so that got me through the afternoon. But now my whole back hurts and it hurts around to the front on the left side. How are you doing?
Good. Hungry.
Did you eat the rice?
What's that?
Did you just eat the rice?
Yeah.
What's going on over here? Henry, get you with Theo? What? What happened? Hey! I just took him out. Just pulled him. I think he's just running back and forth. And so is he. Yo! Yeah, why are you so determined to get that?
No, you always are.
Look over his hand.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I'm at my blood pressure. Yep. If I feel lay here and these are in my reach, I'm going to touch them. Don't tell me I can't. Yep, these are coming down too.
Here, go back to the blood pressure cup.
What? They're toys. They're for me, Judy. They're for me.